Hello. So we created a project for electronic attendance system using face recognition. So we called it the student monitoring system. And here's the list of our team members. Outline of the presentation is first of all, we are talking about the introduction, then project aim and objective. So then we move on to system architecture and implementation and advantages and disadvantages of the project. So here is the contributors to the project. So how the traditional attendance system works. It is like paper-based, time-consuming, so it is hard to visualize, and yeah, as I said, it's too much paperwork. So, and it could be manipulated like cheating. So the project aim is to automate and make accurate data of students' attendance, and it is the beneficial from economical side, and the sort of all is increases security and it saves the time. So the basic structure of the project, how it works, we place a camera to each classroom, then it records the students' faces. So then it writes to the database. So on the right side, as you can see, we have recognized the faces, and it processes the images and compares to the actual recorded student's picture. Then if it is found, then it writes to the database as it is absent or present. So in the project, we use it Python programming language is our main language, and OpenCV for image processing, and SQLite database to store the students' attendance, and DLeap for facial alignment, and Django web framework for to show the data visually on the browser. And on the front end, we have used HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. So, and apart from this, we have used a bunch of Python packages to handle and visualize the data. So here is the implementation in Python. So yeah, as you can see, we'll have the database of images, and it finds the encoded images, which is fetched from the camera. Yeah, it is a continuation of the implementation. So yeah, basically it identifies the face according to this one. Like it is like if it is found or like recognize it, as you can see, there is a blue rectangle. So yeah, after that, if it is found, then it marks attendance to the database. So, and the advantages of the project, first of all, face recognition is easy to use, and in many cases, it can be performed without the person factor, human factor. And the second of all, face recognition is also one of the most inexpensive biometric in the market, and its price should continue to go down, I guess, in the future. So disadvantages, the face recognition systems can't tell the difference between like identical twins. Yeah, that's one of the problems we are facing now in the project. So to sum up, the face recognition is sensitive to face background, light, and head orientations. This technique describes the accurate and efficient method of automatic attendance in the classroom, which could replace a traditional method. So no need for installing complex hardware for taking attendance in classroom. All we need is a camera and laptop. So we use algorithms that can detect and recognize face in the images. That's all for the project. Thanks for your attention.